I suppose that's what I say when, you hear people talking about wicked problems all the time. I don't know if you've heard that language used, but people talk about wicked problems, the problems that we're trying really hard to solve, but we don't seem to be making any inroads into. And I feel like the wicked problems, like, for instance, environmental things like, the soil degradation that's happening, or, even climate change, all those sorts of things. I feel like the reason they are wicked problems is because our system and our culture and our economy actually incentivizes the basis of those problems. So until we kind of deconstruct a little bit, we're almost, it's hard to see how we can make any inroads into these sorts of things. But then once you do deconstruct, often the answer to a lot of different elements, like I was saying at the start, of the same problem, whether it's soil degradation, climate change, plastic use, lack of community, isolation, all of those things can come together through one deeply profound changed solution at the centre. And that is what we're trying to do through Growing Farmers, is to, bring the power to grow food back into people's and communities' own hands. And so in doing that, once that kind of can potentially become more widespread, it can address a lot of those different things. It's almost like the reverse of a wicked problem. It becomes a problem that the solution is incentivized. There's feedback loops within the system that actually mean that all those problems just kind of have got their own way of resolving. Yeah, it's just, kind of the soil issues, the water issues, the transport miles issues, the carbon issues, the pesticide issues, the social issues, all of those can all be kind of wound up together in one activity, if that makes sense, or one endeavour.
Yeah.
And so that's really why that's why we're doing what we do.